Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video it will be my monthly latest in beauty unboxing, and in this video there is also going to be a giveaway, so keep watching for how you can enter. As you might have gathered from the title of this video, this month is slightly different in that I didn't order my usual 6 product box from them, and because I had my eye on another box that I had in their sale, I reduced my usual products to 3 products this month. I didn't want to cancel it and then resubscribe, but I also didn't want the edit box as well as 6 products that I'd chosen myself, so I thought, especially being January, being a bit more frugal, I would just order 3 products, which was £9, and then order the box on sale, which is the Cosmopolitan Party Starter Edit box. This was originally £25 down to £15, so I did still spend £24 over 2 sets of boxes. I will quickly show you the 3 products that I got in my normal subscription box. And the first thing I picked was this Bare Minerals Stroke of Light Concealer. And it says eye brightener and illuminator. I haven't yet tried this, but thought it came in the cutest little packaging size for a sample, because normally when you get concealers they tend to come in like blister packs or sachets, but this is actually a miniature of what it would look like, and I just think it is so cute. And there is actually quite a bit of products in here, so I'm going away on holiday in April and this will be the perfect thing to take with me and will definitely last a week while I'm there. The next thing I picked up was this 417 Dead Sea Collection Vitamin Mineral Shampoo. I'll be honest, I did think I was going to be receiving a bigger size than this. They are very open in that they do say the sizes of all the products that you are ordering. I just didn't click on of how small 40ml was, but again, this will be really handy when I go away to give that a go, and it smells really nice as well, so looking forward to trying that. The last thing I chose was a new hairbrush, and it is the Wet Brush Pro Detangle. I usually use this style of sort of paddle hairbrush, but this has got really fine flexible bristles in it, so I think this will be really good to detangle my hair just after I've washed it. And again, looking forward to trying this. And as usual, even though I only ordered the 3 products instead of the 6, you still get a couple of little freebies thrown in. And the first one was this Pretty Athletic Recovery Boost Cell Repair Serum, and then I also received some food, and these are 5th Season Strawberry and Yogurt Crunchy Squares. I got 2 bags of these, one has already been eaten. It was really nice, so I thought that was a nice little thing to throw in. So next on to the Cosmopolitan box that I ordered, and it is quite heavy, and these are all the contents, and there are quite a few products inside, starting with this Super Duper, presume that's how you say it, body wash, and this is in the scent shea butter, not too sure, but it just smells gorgeous, like vanilla-y and chocolatey, sort of cocoa buttery type smell. I don't know if that's what shea butter normally smells like. I will give this a try, but I think I'm going to take this with me on holiday because it's just a nice size and it saves me buying a travel body wash to take with me anyway. Next thing is this Beverly Hills Formula Perfect White toothpaste. Didn't think I clicked on when I ordered it that there was going to be toothpaste in it, but not bad, and again, perfect travel. I'll be taking that with me. I've never actually tried anything from this brand, but I have heard good things regarding their teeth whitening capabilities, so give that a go because my teeth could do with a good whitening. Next is this Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. I keep seeing Glam Glow advertised on Facebook and Instagram, and I've been dying to try one of their products, but they are quite pricey. And even though this is such a small size product, when I actually looked online, I believe they are selling this size for about £10. So I think if that's the case and it is a good product, it's a really good price that I've paid in a box with a load of other things for £15. It does say it's a peel off mask, and again, I've been wanting to try a peel off mask, so we'll give this one a go. Next is this Look Good Feel Better sculpting sponge. I haven't actually opened this yet, and I am wanting to keep it sealed because I already have a few sort of beauty blender type things on the go, and I want to keep this as clean as possible. But I'll just have a look in the book to show you the shape of the beauty blender. So it looks like it's slightly chiselled at the top, so that'll be quite good for blending. The next product is yes to cotton facial wipes. Keep seeing yes to things in stores and online, and it looks like they've got quite a wide range of products, so I've been wanting to try something of theirs, and you can't go wrong with a good facial wipe. I know you're not really supposed to use facial wipes to take off your makeup, but a lot of the times I'm in a rush or I just want to get to bed, and I do unfortunately reach for the makeup wipes rather than my usual sort of cleansing routine. So we'll be glad to add another pack of facial wipes to the collection, because the ones that I'm using at the moment, they say they're fragrance free, but they have a really nasty smell to them. So I want to use them up because I don't want to waste them, but then I do need another one to go to, so these will be perfect for that. Next is this Matte Me liquid lipstick. I think this is by the brand Sleek, and again another brand that I keep seeing online and things, and we want to try something from their brand, and this is a really nice red. I have recently bought quite a few reds over the Christmas period and didn't end up making my way through a fraction of them, so I think I might leave this sealed for now until I've used up the other ones that I've got first, but it does look like a really nice shade red. Next is this Bedhead shampoo, Bedhead hairspray even, hard to hold hairspray. I don't use hairspray very often. I've actually got one that I'm using at the moment that is at the very end, and I haven't yet got round to buying a new one, so we'll give this one a go and then hopefully I don't need to go and buy a new one. These are Glitterlution glitter pots. We've got a silver one, a gold one, and then a sort of rainbowy coloured one, which is actually called Superfly Unicorn. Not a big fan of glitter, and after opening this box and it going absolutely everywhere, I can't say that I will be using these. So this is the first product as well that I mentioned in the giveaway at the beginning. So all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and drop me a comment of which of the products you would like to be sent. So if you do choose the glitter pots, I will send you all three. The next item is a Nails Inc Sweet Almond nail varnish, and this is in the shade Mayfair Market. This is a really nice sort of light coppery colour, I would say. But it looks really nice, and I haven't actually ever tried a Nails Inc nail varnish. I don't know if this sweet almond oil and matcha will increase its staying power, but we shall see. Next is this Iborian Pink Perfect Cream. It says it's a Blair Secret Glow Skin Refining 4-in-1 Primer. I don't tend to use primer very often, but seeing as I've got this little sample, I might give it a go, see if it has any effect on me. I think the reason I don't tend to use primers is because I use a powdered mineral foundation, and I just seem to have it in my head that because that's a powder, it won't go with a cream primer, but again, I haven't got a clue. Next is this Saint-Tropez Instant Tan Gloss. This is obviously a tanning product, and Saint-Tropez is a really good brand in terms of tanning products, but I personally don't self-tan, so this is yet another one that's going to be in the giveaway. So if you'd specifically like this one, give the video a thumbs up and drop me a comment with this product. It does look like it is very shimmery. I don't know if the light will catch it there, so it's not something for me. The next product is this Gillette Venus Snap Razor. This was one of the things that sort of sold me on this box, because I've been really wanting to try these, and these are about £5 or £10 depending on where you shop to get hold of anyway. And again, I thought it'd be perfect to take on holiday because it's in a sealable case, so it won't get dirty, because sometimes when you take a razor, I tend to put mine in like a Ziploc bag, but still they can get a bit. Really looking forward to taking this away with me. The next product is the IT Cosmetics Brow Powder. This is another product that made me want to pick up this box because I've been wanting to try this for a while, and I believe IT Cosmetics is quite a pricey brand. I think the full size of this is about £20, and this is 0.05 grams, and the full size is about 0.15 grams. This is a third of the size. I'm going to be honest, I did think I was getting the full size one, only because in the little description where it always says the size of the products, it does say one eyebrow pencil, so I presumed it was the full size one. But still, it's not a bad size product, and it's got the spoolie on one end and the turn up brush on the end. So I will give this a go, because I do want to try and get away from using brow powder if I can and go into more of a pencil. It's in the shade Universal Taupe, however you say that colour. The next product is Eyelaw Volume No. 100 False Eyelashes. These look like really pretty full, very full lashes, and you can see it's got a picture on the back of what they look like on the eyes. I've only wore false eyelashes one time, and that was on my wedding day, and I just didn't like them. Once they were on, they were fine, but it took me about an hour to get used to wearing them, and then towards the end of the day they started lifting, and I just felt so uncomfortable and could not wait to take them off. I love the way they look, I absolutely loved it, but I just couldn't, and I couldn't put them on myself because I got my makeup done by a makeup artist and she put them on, and I did try leading up to my wedding to try putting them on myself to get used to the feel of wearing them, but I couldn't do it. I couldn't get them in the right place. I had them halfway up my eyelid. They just looked awful, so I just left it, let her put them on the wedding day, and they did look great, but they're just not for me. So again, this is part of the giveaway also, so if you want this, give the video a thumbs up and drop me a comment with this product. Last product is this Sleek Eye Divine eyeshadow palette. This appears to have taken the brunt of the glitter because it was at the bottom of the box. I've not actually opened this yet because I really don't need any more eyeshadow palettes, so I thought I'd throw this in as a giveaway as well. On the website it did look like it was a lot bigger than this, but that is an ideal size for travelling, and it looks like they are really nice neutral shade browns, but I've probably got every single shade of these in another palette. I did want to have a look and have a little swatch, but I thought no, let it go to a better home, I do not need this. So out of all these products, I am very happy with most of them. There are a couple that I won't use, but that's why I want to give them away to you guys to go to a better home. But I think the box was worth £15, and the main products that I am looking forward to trying are the Glam Glow face mask, the makeup wipes, the body wash, the brow pencil, and the razor, and the nail varnish. So out of that, the rest of the products that I'm keeping, I'll give them all a try, but overall I don't think £15 is too bad for the products that I'm keeping. As a reminder for the products that are in the giveaway, it's the false eyelashes, the glitter pots, the Sleek eyeshadow palette, and the Saint-Tropez false tan gloss thing. So there are 4 chances to win on this giveaway. I will open it internationally, so anyone is eligible to enter. Please give the video a thumbs up and drop me a comment with the item you would like to win. That's it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.